Want to know how to get A/B testing or A/B testing through titles or thumbnails using TubeBuddy under YouTube Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your YouTube Studio, and here you should be under contents. You can just simply select contents and open up any video of your choice. So we have also created similar videos regarding TubeBuddy, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So now once everything is done, on the right side you should be seeing toolbox with this TubeBuddy icon right here. Just simply click that, and here you should be seeing toolbox. Now for more views, we can do some of these. So right here on the first, you should be seeing A/B testing and title generator. So you can just simply select that. So you need to also know that this is only available on the Pro version, so you can just simply upgrade to Legend or upgrade to Pro version in order to get it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily get the A/B testing and test your thumbnails. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.